What's up, all my fine girls? No pimple is Whit here again with another video. So you guys, I am back today with a brand new fragrance video, and this is going to be a review on the newest perfume that Navitus Parfums just dropped in collaboration with AI the Great. It is called Amorous Intense. So this is actually her second collaboration. She had one earlier this year. I don't have that perfume yet, okay, but she will be mine, okay? So you guys, before we go ahead and jump into all of this stuff and the perfume and everything, please do me a favor, go ahead and like the video, go ahead and comment down below if you pick this perfume up and what are your thoughts on it, and also make sure you're subscribed. You guys, I always forget to put this in the beginning of my videos. I always put it at the end, but I'm trying to go ahead and get this in here in the beginning because literally, like, I just want to get into the topic of the video that I forget about all that stuff. But you guys, please like the video, comment, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. But yes, let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, this is the second collaboration that Navitus Parfums has done with AI the Great. So you guys, just a little bit of background. I first discovered AI the Great like in 2021. That was when I started getting into perfumes, and I was just enamored by like her persona, like personality, like her fragrance closet. Well, her closet happens to have a fragrance in there, and like I was just like, oh my gosh, it's like, this is just a beautiful setup. I just love her personality. I feel like the person who I see on camera is the person that I would see if I was to ever meet her in real life. I also love the fact that she responds to all her comments. This is a little thing that I tend to notice with creators. I don't know, I think because like not only am I a you know, a content creator, but I also do actively consume YouTube, and it's something I'm just kind of big on. Like when I see people who actively engage with their subscribers, I don't know, it really pulls me in. So I love that. Anyways, you guys, so when she dropped the video describing this perfume, I was like, I'm gonna take a leap of faith and I'm gonna blind buy it because it sounds delicious, okay? The way she described that perfume, I was like, I need it, I need it. And not only that, the first day that it released, they had a 30% going on. I was like, okay, you know, let me at least, you know, get this good discount, because if I end up hearing all good reviews and, you know, I end up buying later and I could have got 30% off the first day, you know, I'm gonna be salty. So yes. So anyways, I've done enough talking. Let us go ahead and talk about this. So this is the box it comes in. So it is a 125 ml bottle or 4.2 fluid ounce. And like I said, this is the box it comes in. You slide it out the sleeve. When I say the packaging is impeccable, like 10 out of 10, like this is how you send something, okay? Because for this to be basically this perfume is $300. I mean, basically, I feel like I need to see where my money's going to, okay? Like, where is it going to, okay? So I love the fact that they really kind of like, you know, gave you some good packaging. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. And so this is the box. So you can keep this and store this, or you can keep the perfume in here and open it up. I already took the perfume out, but yes, take that out. And you can also take this out as well too. And then it also comes with a card that, you know, tells you who they collabed with and the notes of the perfume. So let us go ahead and take a look at the actual bottle, okay? Y'all. Oh, y'all, this bottle is gorgeous, okay? The glass feels really good. The cap, like, this is a nice cap. And then, I mean, the spray, look how smooth that is. Oof, look how smooth that is, okay? So I love the fact that you can kind of see where your money's going to, like, not just the box, the bottle itself, you know, like, because there are some high-end brands out here that, you know, I'm not understanding why you're charging that price, and the quality of your packaging don't match up, Tom Ford. Because I'm just gonna say it, okay? Listen, I'm never going to take my foot off of Tom Ford's neck. Why is your private line, why are the caps plastic and the bottle of perfume is $400? Anyways, it's not about them today. It's about Navitus, okay? So let's go ahead and talk about this. All right, so the top notes are baked pear pulp, almonds, and applesauce, with the heart notes being rum absolute, ylang ylang, and French coffee, and then the base notes being cinnamon, caramel, whipped cream, and cane sugar. All right, so I'm just spraying this on the back of my hand because I already have this sprayed all over me. I could not wait to do this video. Like, I got this perfume on Saturday. Today's Monday that I'm filming this. I could not wait to do a first impression with you guys on camera. I had to tear open that box. Oh my gosh. Okay. So you definitely smell that pear and that apple, like in the top. Y'all, this is just, it's so beautiful. Like, I mean, a lot of the notes that are in here, I'm smelling like that pear, that apple, that cane sugar. Oh my goodness. Yeah, those are like the notes that I'm really smelling. It's like the pear, the apple, and like some sugary note. This is truly for the gourmand girls, okay? Like, this smells just so sweet and edible. Like, it is a beautiful, 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 beautiful scent. I absolutely love, 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 love this. I have been spraying this nonstop since Saturday. This is an extrait de parfum, so typically extrait de parfums have a higher oil concentration, so they're going to last longer. Beautiful. Okay, the best way for me to really describe this, like when I smell this perfume, for whatever reason, it just really reminds me of a green Jolly Rancher. Now, because I was people like, I'm not gonna spend that much money to smell like a Jolly Rancher. No, 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 no. Listen, okay, that's what I'm saying. It reminds me of, but it's done in a way where it's still wearable, like still perfumey, and I don't know, like it just smells good. Like I feel like a lot of people are going to love this scent. Like, it is a beautiful scent. So now let's go ahead and talk about the projection on this perfume. For me personally, I don't think this perfume is a screamer. Like, I don't think she's loud. I think this is more of a perfume, like it's more of a closer scent bubble. Like, you know, if I'm standing next to someone or if I'm in the same car as somebody like 3-4 feet away, I feel like you can kind of smell it. Not somebody who's like 20 feet away, 10 feet away. I don't feel like it's that loud of a fragrance. As far as like longevity, like it lasting, I would say for the 2 days that I have tried this, I will give it about 5 to 6 hours of wear time. You guys, I cannot stop spraying this. Like, I am in love with this scent, and it's making me even more antsy to get her other perfume, because if it's as good as this one is, oh my goodness. But yeah, you guys, that's really all that I have to say. Overall, I think the perfume smells beautiful. Like, I am in love with this scent. This to me is very different and unique. In my personal opinion, I don't have anything in my collection like this. Like, there are other perfumes out there that, you know, like have that apple scent, like Killian's Apple Brandy. What's the other one? The La Danza, the one that I have. But a lot of times those perfumes are done in a boozy way. This right here is just like apple done. If you just want like that nice, juicy, fruity apple pear type of scent, I think you're going to love this. I don't know AI the Great, okay? So I don't really have anything to benefit from this. This is just my unbiased opinion on what I thought about this. I paid for this perfume, okay? Now let's go ahead and talk about pricing. So this perfume does retail for $296. Like I said, the day that they released this, there was a 30% off discount code, so I was able to save some money on this, okay? I think consistently AI the Great does have a 10% off that you can use at all times. So for anybody interested in this that didn't get it the first day, you can still get it with some sort of discount. Also, I know Navitus doesn't, because when I looked on their website, they don't have like afterpay or Klarna for anybody who's trying to get into perfumes and, you know, you want to start, you know, buying more, but like, you know, they're expensive. You should really look into these pay in 4 installments. So they don't have afterpay or Klarna, but PayPal does offer a pay in 4. So if you pay through PayPal, you could definitely, you know, try it that way. So that way, you know, if you are interested in this, but you don't really have the money to fork out right now, it's something to consider, okay? But anyways, that is that with this video. Like I said, I am in love with this perfume. It was money well spent. I cannot wait to wear it out this upcoming weekend, okay? Because, you know, it's Halloween doesn't fall on a weekend. So this weekend when I'm going out, okay, listen, I'm whipping her out, okay? And I want all the compliments. But yes, you guys, smells so good. I love this perfume. But anyways, that's enough talking, enough rambling and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, don't forget to like the video if you have not already liked it. Comment down below if you did pick this up and what are your thoughts on it. And make sure you're subscribed if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.